Hello everyone, welcome in my channel ASP.NET Core. Today I am going to show you how to edit hotel room entries. So when you create or you can say when you add a new hotel room into your project, then how to edit it. So first of all, I will give you an example looking like that. When we click on the edit button, then hotel room title, max adults, maximum childs, room fare, description, and number of beds, and picture URI, that is the hotel room pictures. Just I want to edit this, and the hotel room type ID, and the room facilities also there. So how to edit this? So first of all, edit these just like that image, and in the picture you have to edit this. Oops. Yeah, there is. So just I want to edit this. Yeah, there is. So edit this picture and all these entries in ASP.NET. How to edit this? So if you want to edit like laundry and room cleaning, so just click on it and just edit on it, and you have to check it, all two entries are there. So how to do this in ASP.NET Core? This is the simple example you can do. So the first thing is to add a new view model, that is edit room view model. In edit room view model, we have to add ID, room number, title, maximum adult, maximum childs, room fare, description, number of beds, and iForm file for change the pictures. And to show the pictures, so you can use string type property picture URI, and the room type is related to the AC room and non-AC rooms, and room facilities is the laundry and room cleaning, etc. So there are the things you can do, you can add in the edit room view model. So in the room controller section, you have to edit. So when we click on the room ID, then got an ID property. So first of all, create an instance of edit room view model, and by using context.rooms.include type of room like AC and non-AC, facilities, and then include facility. So there, this is the middle table between the room and facility. So dot where ID of the room ID. So just got the room details. Okay, so single room detail you have to got. Existing facility that I mean to say this is the facility existing in the middle table. So room details dot facilities dot select facility ID, there is room details. So facilities is in the view bag, and also view bag have with the room types. So new select list, context dot room types, there is the table and the ID and title, and selected property appear on room details dot room type ID, that is the selected. And the view bag dot facilities is context dot facilities dot select is new select list item, and in the select list item you have to add x dot title, x dot ID, and selected is existing facility dot contain x dot IDs. I mean to say that first facilities. So these facilities are selected. Okay, now assign these facility to the view model like ID, room number, title, description, maximum adult, maximum child, room fare, number of beds, picture URI, and room type ID. So when we click on the hotel room ID, then view model load with these data looking like that. When we click on the edit button, so ID is there and load with the existing data. Okay, so after that, when we click on any changes and click on the save button, so these things happen, like the context dot rooms dot ID you have to just got according to the VM dot ID, and edit room view model is there. So instance of room number, title, maximum adult, maximum child, room fare, description, number of beds, and room type ID is changed according to the view model. When we click on the save button, these all are data saved into the edit room view model. So just pass to the model, and if vm.room picture URI is not null, I mean to say that if you set to the null is not null, then room picture URI is changed. Okay, and after that you have to also change the middle data with the laundry and room cleaning and haircut. There is the many to many relationship between the room and facility table. So these data are used to add and to remove. So already existing data to remove and add newly added data. So these things you can do, you can add it, and by using the room you have to add facilities by using this, and remove existing facilities by using this room.facility equals to room.facility.where to remove.contain x.facility IDs. So this and the room dot context.rooms.update room. So these things you can add in the edit rooms, and between the room and the facilities have many to many relationship. So thank you guys for watching this video, and keep watching all other videos which is related to hotel room booking projects. Thank you very much.